Hello guys, this is how to use Davinci AI image generator. So first thing you need to do is just open up your browser and then go to davinci.ai and then click on the try for free button and sign up. You need to sign up and create an account. And once you do that, once you sign up, it's going to direct you to the pricing page because it is a paid service. However, they do give you some free credits in the beginning, so 3 free credits. And you can see the pricing over here. So like if you choose yearly, it's going to be 75% off. But let's just try out the like the credits right now. So you can even like buy the credits if you want. However, if you just go to the home page, you can just type in a prompt. Let's say I want a cat playing the piano. And then you can choose the style. So let's say, yeah, they have a lot of styles. So let's say I want psychedelic entities. Okay. And then we have the ratio if you want to make it a landscape or 16:9 landscape or portrait. However, that is pro. So you need to pay for that. Then you can just click on generate and it will generate the results for you. So just wait for that. Here we go. That's pretty. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.